Hello family, welcome back to the channel. This is JasmineLatishea. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be making this homemade smoothie. We had made it already, and then I decided I had to bring it back to the channel and show you guys exactly how I did it. When I drank it, it was full of energy straight off the bat, and it's full of antioxidants. So I wanted to show you guys how to do it. First of all, you're going to need some ice. We're going to be making it in a blender. So you're going to need at least 2.5 cups of ice. Now I have some sea moss gel that I'm homemade, but everybody's been buying it out. So I won't even be able to get any more until the end of May at the harvest. Now, you guys do not throw away your brown bananas. Not black, but brown. The reason I'm saying this is because when they have brown skin, they have a tumor necrosis factor, which can eliminate abnormal cells, okay, and lower the risk and boost your immunity to cancer. This is what antioxidants does, okay, and I'm using 6 cuties, 2 apples, 2 lemons, everything that I'm using here will have antioxidants. I measured my ice out in that bowl right there. About 2.5 cups. This is what it looks like when it's finished. It's still gonna have like small chunks to it. But I drink my juices, my smoothies, whatever I'm drinking, I drink for healing. I don't drink for the taste. But this actually does taste good. And I made this yesterday actually. And today it was even better than it was yesterday. So I would recommend 48 hours for it. 48, you probably could go an extra day. And that's how it looks, like a orange kind of color. And here's where I'm going to boost up the antioxidant power in here by adding 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. I'm sorry, not cocoa powder. There is a difference. Cacao powder is very high in antioxidants. It's also a superfood because it has the iron, magnesium, and zinc. Zinc helps you with colds, so you need to be pressing into there. I'm going to mix that around. Now, I'm sharing this drink with someone, so I didn't want to put it into the blender because they did not want the chocolate, but preferably do them separate or something and put the chocolate inside the blender because it's almost impossible to mix. I even had to go off camera to try to get this stuff to incorporate. It wanted to be in a mixer, a blender, or something. That's as best as I was able to get it, and it still had chunks. But I drink cacao powder every day, so now I'm starting to get used to the bitter taste of it. But it's so chocolatey, even though it's bitter. So I'm starting to get used to it. It really isn't that bad. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, another thing I wanted to let you guys know is that I will be doing the exercise for today. I will be doing it. It will be up late. Yesterday I had to put up a video. It was on my heart to put up a video to assist with viruses, colds, and coughs and stuff like that to help ease the symptoms. So I decided to put together and create a video of the top 10 remedies to help when you have a cold, a virus, and things like that. So check the description box below. And if you want to watch that video, please feel free to go and check it out and look and see if you can grab some of the things that's in there to help you guys out if you need it. And also keep in mind that just because you don't have a cold, some of these things you can start doing now and prevent some of this stuff from coming up on you. Okay? So I had to do that first before I did my exercise today, but I'm still going to have it done. I'm uploading this video now, and I'm leaving a message in this video so you all will know. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.